Pangasinan!
DJ Nathan on the mix.
The heart, the soul, and the face of the province, Lingayen! Lingayen is the home where we can find the most delicious bagoong. What makes it different to other bagoong is the salt and the salinity of the air, which is the factor for fermenting the ideal bagoong of Lingayen. Aside from that, Lingayen is a strategic point during the World War II. It is where we can find the Casa Real, the Capitol building, which is the most beautiful capital in the Philippines, the Season Auditorium, Limahong Channel, and other cultural heritage wherein we will remember the bravery and heroism of our fellow Filipinos. So Lingayen, fly high!
The Pilgrim Center of the North, Manaoag.
Welcome to the Minor Basilica of Our Lady of the Rosary of Manaoag, also known as Our Lady of Manaoag Church. The Pilgrims of the Center of the North. Manaoag is the most popular pilgrim destination, considering it the Catholic Mecca of the Philippines. Another thing is, people who have visited this church and prayed to Mother Mary says they had a numerous miraculous experience, which is why it's so well known.
Infanta, let's do it! Welcome to Infanta, where you can find the 13 beautiful century-old acacia trees around the Municipal Plaza, which represent the 13 barangays of Infanta. Infanta, also known for their salt and bagoong making, and one of our barangay is the largest or the biggest tuna producer region-wide. Infanta also served the best kakanin. So what are you waiting for? Come on, Infanta, let's do it!
Alaminos, ituloy ang progreso. Welcome to Alaminos City, the home of 100 Islands National Park. Ang 100 Islands ay binubuo ng 124 islands and islands. Meron po tayong 10 developed islands kung saan pwede po tayong lumangoy, kumain at mag-relax. Alaminos, ituloy ang progreso.
Wow! Bolinao! Woohoo!
Welcome to Bolinao, the giant clam capital of the Philippines. Bolinao is famous for having historical sites and tourist attractions, and one of them is the St. James Parish Church. Aside from the church, it is also known for its lighthouse, the Cape Bolinao Lighthouse, which is the second to the highest lighthouse in the Philippines. And finally, the most visited attraction here in Bolinao is the Patar Beach. And that's all. Wow, Bolinao!
Find the one in Region 1!